investigate 9/11. 9/11 was perpetrated by people within our own government.
We have before us the opportunity to forge for ourselves and for future generations a new world order, a world where the rule of law, not the law of the jungle, governs the conduct of nations. When we are successful, and we will be, we have a real chance at this new world order.
What do falling buildings look like? What do demolitions look like? We are seeing typical implosions, characterized by gutting a building's base and then pulling it into itself. Computer-controlled sequencing fires the explosives in a rapid wave. Notice the jets of shooting concrete, the flashes, the pops, the caving of the buildings as they fall into their footprint, the tremendous billowing clouds of dust. Now let's look at the collapse of the Twin Towers. We are seeing explosions rather than implosions, a first in demolition history. A sequenced rumble becomes a roar as debris is thrown outward. The damage is not contained. Even the windows are blown from neighborhood buildings. What kind of energy enabled this? Would fire hurl metal and concrete sideways into the air? Here, a 600,000-pound chunk of steel, twice the weight of a Boeing airliner, was flung 400 feet, wedging itself deep into 3 World Financial Center on Vesey Street. A FEMA photographer taking pictures of Ground Zero wondered why so many steel beams were jutting from neighborhood buildings. What shot pieces of the towers all the way across the street? In April 2006, New Yorkers were distressed to learn that bone fragments, human remains from 9/11, had been found on the roof of the nearby Deutsche Bank building.
And how, in God's name, did those fragments get there?
It surprised me that there was still bone fragments or human remains that had not been discovered.
How is it possible that after 5 years they're finally looking on the rooftops of the Deutsche building? I mean, that's crazy.
And bone fragments less than a centimeter long. How could they be so small? So much to be explained. Why did the South Tower fall first when it was the second tower to be hit? Watch the top of Tower 2 leaning outward, about to topple. Then, suddenly, it disintegrates in midair. What causes this giant slab of steel and concrete to turn into dust before our eyes? Watch both buildings collapsing straight down, directly into the path of most resistance, which is all the floors and all the mass of the building itself.
The second building collapses. He came back 20 minutes later, looking like a these schools just moved to cover the plastic, I swear to God. But he got good things, that's some good shit. Then we went back there. Whoa, 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 whoa!
Read these words the fast way. Get ready.
Play.
Yes, play. Get ready.
Must.
Yes, must. Get ready.
Kick.
Yes, kick. Get ready.
Steal.
Yes, steal. 60 on page 150. Fingers on the title of the story. Get ready.
The pet goat.
Yes, the pet goat.
So as you come up to 10, that is their god. That is 10. That is the hermaphrodite. But if you stop at 9 and you skip to 11, skipping god, then you are a Luciferian. Because 11 is the number of the magician. It's the one step above. Once you have accomplished the tree of life, you are now the magician. You are one above 10. But they're doing it by skipping god. That's the symbolism of 9/11.
CGI glitch, and this proves that this video, which was seen all over the world over and over and over again year after year, is a CGI rendering. Thus, it's not an amateur witness video, it's a fake.
Yeah, walking with Christ ain't easy. A lot of storms ahead you gotta face, fam, believe me. Just gotta keep your faith strong. Tell the enemy to flee in Jesus' name be gone. And with your armor on tight, you'll be ready for war. Write his words upon your heart and keep them mentally stored. You know the government gon' follow the plan. One world, one religion, one system, and the time is ahead.